guys, long time no see.
20 more minutes into it. 20 more minutes into it.
Today I'm attempting to do Pinterest / TikTok nails. And I'm using gel polishes provided by Madame Glam. So Madame Glam is a New York City based company founded in 2014, and today I'll be testing out some of their gel polishes that they sent me in exchange for review, but all opinions in this video are still my own. And our gel polishes are cruelty free, vegan, all that. They also have over 800 shades available and 1,800 products overall on their website. And they have a VIP club that you can join, and you can get 50% off all gel polishes always. And they have a free trial if you really do use nail polish that much. Sorry, my camera died, but one last thing before we get started with the video. They also gave me a code so that you can get 30% off your entire order. It's KLNT30 right on the screen right here, if I'm editing it correctly. So you can just type that right on into the checkout, or you can just click the link down below and yeah, we'll get 30% off your entire order. Now with that, we can hop right into the video. So in the package they sent me, they actually gave me a top coat, a base coat, and then 3 gel polish colors of my choosing, and I chose 2 for myself and I did the 3rd one for my sister. She picked out the pink shade at the bottom, and in the kit they also provided a mini UV/LED lamp. And now we can get started with the nails. So my nails are already trimmed and filed, and my cuticles are pushed back and cut to the best of my ability. Now I'm going to be doing a base coat, and I'm just applying a nice thin coat to all of my nails. And then I'm going to take the LED lamp that they provided that just plugs right into my laptop, and I'm going to let my nails cure for 30 seconds, but this lamp also has an automatic timer. So then I'm going to apply the first coat of the beige rose shade. That is like a nice nude base color that I would say perfect for like a French manicure kind of thing. So I'm just going to apply a little thin coat, and I'm going to keep going until I think it's opaque enough. And I won't show that whole process because that obviously took longer than the little 20-second clip that I'm including in the video. And to do the little French tip sort of thing with the brown polish, I am going to use this little, I don't even know what to call this, little sponge thing that my sister had, and I am no professional at this. This was my first time ever using a tool like this, so I tried to the best of my ability, and I didn't even get it on camera, so I'm sorry about that. But obviously I did it on my thumb and that did not work out, so I wiped it off and I tried again on my other fingers, and then I just went crazy and did a bunch of designs on all of my fingers without even recording. In this clip you can see me just trying to do a sort of like half circle type thing on my thumb. I ended up painting over one of my nails completely with the brown polish, and I ended up leaving 2 nails just plain beige rose, and you can see that in this clip. But overall it ended up okay. It wasn't my favorite. I guess I just expected it to turn out better, but I underestimated how hard doing nails actually is, because I do consider myself a pretty artistic person, but painting your own nails and doing designs is a lot more complex than just painting your nails a plain color, honestly. But anyways, so I went ahead and topped it off with the top coat and did the whole curing process all over again, and here's how they turned out. I ended up with a lot of nail polish on my cuticles and fingernails and stuff, but I tried my best. And then here is a just fully brown nail polish look with the pinkies in the beige rose. So I took my headband off because I forgot to record an outro, so here we are recording on my phone. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. And again, don't forget they did give me a code for y'all to use, KLNT30, for 30% off your order. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. My Instagram and Twitter handles are the same, and they're also linked below. And I also want to thank Madame Glam for sending me their products and letting me try it out, even though I'm not a nail artiste or anything. I tried my best. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye bye the morning, girl. I gotta go. Gotta get ready. Tonight is my show. If you okay.